Good morning everyone. I am the MC hosting this debate. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ilham Bintang Alvaris as the MC, and the participants in today's debate are from class A and from class B. The first from class A is Safa, the second is Abel, the third is Erlinda, and the fourth is Andi. And from class B, the first is Susan, the second is Adi, the third is Faris, the fourth is Aini. Nisa as the timekeepers. Without delaying too long, we start from class A to start the debate. Next is the response from class A, Safa.
2018 study conducted by the Danish Ministry of Environment and Food showed that the manufacture and disposal of plastic bags had a lower environmental impact than using alternative bags offered as replacement in most supermarkets. It is that the each alternative material must be ratio between 35 and 100 times to eliminate pollution from its production and is the same plastic bags that is unused. One time recycled bags material number of use polyethylene, terephthalate, polyester, 35 biopolymers 42, paper 43, woven polyurethane 45, composite materials 870, conventional cotton 7,100, consumed 5 cents for paper bags if the country of city where they live opts in. Residents who receive welfare or receive wage or SNAP benefits will be excluded. Plastic bags has impacts on communities and the environment. The department say on its website. Plastic bags and can be seen taken on trash, becoming rubbish in our environment and floating in air gas. Using reusable bags makes sense and is the right thing to do.
Thank you for Safa. Next is the response from class B, Susan.
In New York City, more than 420,000 tons of plastic waste is generated each year. This plastic waste accounts for 50% of New York City's total solid waste in line with New York State and United States population. However, only about 9% of the plastic produced is actually recycled. The amount of single-use plastic found in the city waste stream is about 26 million pounds per year. In an ambiguous paper to waste and leader New York State controversial ban on the distribution of the single-use plastic bags that used to be a common feature in grocery store, shop, and bodegas. New York State plastic bag ban went into effect on March 1st, 2020. As Andy Bernard reported for the New York Times, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said that the goal of the initiative is not to police but to educate consumers, and this is about environmentally friendly practice. The cities that do not comply with this regulation will receive over 1% that can repair offers and fine of 500 for another offense in the same year. Comes more is plastic bags used for takeaway food, ground meat or fish. The deliver will be allowed to provide single-use paper bags, and local government have the authority to charge 5 cents for each paper bag used by customer. We all know and understand that plastic waste causes environmental problems. However, as an environmental without plastic and switching to eco-friendly bags is also required. But we know that plastic was originally invented to minimize the use of single-use paper bags. Plastic was invented to prevent environmental problems caused by the overuse of paper bags and cloth bags that turn easily. Plastic bags were invented so that people could use them repeatedly. They were easy to carry because they could be folded and they reduced the need of trees for paper bags. So, why is it the other way around now? It's not the plastic that's wrong, it's the habit. We as humans should familiarize ourselves with the reduce and recycle and minimize to reduce waste production. And in fact, New York is not really 100% banning the use of plastic, as there are still some exceptions that are allowed. With this new law, New York becomes the third state to ban single-use plastic bags, following in the footsteps at California and Oregon. Hawaii is said to have a de facto ban, as all its local government prohibits the use of plastic bags. Officials say that New York used 22 billion plastic bags annually, contributing to a major global pollution problem. Single-use plastic bags are untied and inconvenient. Most plastic bags also contain gas, and they decompose, contributing to global warming. When New York plastic bag ban was first enacted, some people criticized the government for mandating the price of paper bags, potentially saving the poor consumer to use paper instead of reusable bags. As the price on board, where paper bags actually have a higher carbon footprint than plastic, mainly because it takes more energy to produce and transport them. And there are several reasons why plastic bags are still used in clothing. Plastic bags are very easy to carry and use. They are lightweight and can be folded into a very small place when not in us, making them easy to store in bag or pocket. And plastic bags are weightless and can be folded into most every retail store, supermarket, and
plastic bags take up to 1,000 years to decompose. Unlike recycled cloth bags, plastic bags take a long time to decompose. Over time, their lightweight allow them to be carried over long distances, causing environmental damage along the way. What actually happens to plastic bags if they are thrown away carelessly on where the plastic bag enters the environment and the mechanism that cause the plastic bag to consume. St. Patrick and Girls Education consultant for the Waste Azure project. On a rainy day in Portland, the bag can be whisked to drain pipes that will drain them into the Columbia River and into the ocean. On a windy day in Arizona, the bag probably could go in the cactus where it was vegetating until it disintegrated. But wherever the bag ends up. Skinner explained that it can cause long-term damage to the surrounding ecosystem. The bag will be in the environment for years because plastic does not biodegrade. How many years exactly and how it happens again depends on where it starts and where it ends. And result in environmental damage or an unhealthy environment, plastic is difficult to decompose naturally and can pollute the environment. And decomposed plastic goods can pollute rivers, ocean, and soil. This threatens marine life and wildlife, as well as disrupting the entire ecosystem cycle, and if it is recycled, it can be recycling emission. Not all types of plastic can be recycled easily. Some types of plastic are difficult to recycle or require complicated and expensive processes. In the UK alone, more than 5 million tons of plastic is consumed every year, of which it is estimated that only a quarter is recycled. With the remainder going to landfill, large amount of this discarded plastic waste will inevitably enter the environment, with research having shown that 19% of seabird bodies contain plastic fibers. If left untreated, these plastic bags can also harm animals or marine fauna. Many cases were found, namely around 3,017 species of marine animals were found entangled in our small marine debris from all over the world, ranging from turtle shells, seabirds, and several other biota. Even plastic bags are flammable, even though they are making plastic material. Plastic polymers also have weaknesses, namely that they are not heat resistant. They are easily and most importantly, they can cause contamination through the transition of the monomers to packaged food materials. Plastic pollution is also one of the causes of climate change. This is none of other than because plastic is made from ethylene and propylene, which come from fossil fuels. When exposed to sunlight, this plastic product increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The reason is plastic waste is a petroleum product that contributes to global warming. When plastic is created and destroyed, it also produces carbon dioxide, which in the atmosphere and increases carbon emission in the earth. Even plastic bags are renewable, even though they are known to be durable and long-lasting. One of the drawbacks of plastic items is that they are flammable. The bond in polymers are easily broken by heat energy, allowing change and damage to the molecular structure of making plastic material. Plastic polymers also have weaknesses, namely that they are not heat resistant, they are easily and most importantly, they can cause contamination through the transition of their monomers to packaged food materials. Plastic pollution is also one of the causes of climate change. This is none other than because plastic is made from ethylene and propylene, which come from fossil fuels. When exposed to sunlight, this plastic product increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The reason is plastic waste is a petroleum product that contributes to global warming. When plastic is created and destroyed, it also produces carbon dioxide, which stains the atmosphere and increases carbon emission in the earth.
Thank you for class A, Nabila. Next is the response from class B, Adi.
To decompose. Unlike recyclable plastic bags take a lifetime to decompose. Over time, their lightweight allows them to be carried over long distance, causing environmental damage along the way. What actually happens to plastic bags if they are thrown away carelessly depends largely on where the plastic bag enters the environment and the mechanism that cause the plastic bag to move, said Patrick Sanders, education consultant for the West Ashore project. On a rainy day in Portland, the bags can be washed into drain pipes that will drain them in the Columbia River and into the ocean. On a windy day in Arizona, the bag probably got caught in the cactus where it was sitting until it disintegrated. But wherever the bag ends up, Kendall explained that it can cause long-term damage to the surrounding ecosystem. The bag will be in the environment for years because plastic does not biodegrade. How many years exactly and how it happens again depends on where it starts and where it ends. New York City accounts for 10 billion plastic bags, with less than 10% of waste recycled each year. The remainder flow into waterways and the sea, polluting waterways, harming marine life, and returning to human water on human shores. This has become an urgency in New York City and even throughout the world to start living without plastic bags. Although the research surrounding microplastic is relatively new, the Washington Post quotes that Americans inhale 10,000 of 10 plastic fragments of our fiber each year and ingest at least 74,000 microplastic particles each year. The use of plastic bags has caused the ocean to become a minefield, affecting around 7,000 species because they become trapped in plastic or mistake it for food. Single-use plastic bags have negative impact as well as comfort. They often end up in the ocean, where they become entangled in or clog the stomachs of marine animals. Most plastic bags do not decompose. Even plastic bags marketed as biodegradable may not live up to their name, but rather break down into small pieces that can be ingested by various organisms and accumulate in the food chains. When decomposed plastic bags also emit greenhouse gas, there will be contribution to global warming. Plastic bag waste is very visible and unpleasant. Waste can accumulate quickly and pose a serious threat to the environment. Trash can accumulate very quickly because freely disrupt plastic bags take years to decompose. And all that trash can result in giant piles of trash in the ocean, or leachate contamination in the soil, both of which release microplastic and ocean habitats. Additionally, plastic bags often end up in inappropriate recycling facilities, damaging equipment and shutting down operation. Consumers may not know that plastic bags cannot be recycled in the same way as other recyclable items. Recycling mistakes are made easier with single-stream recycling, so consumers think they can put all their plastic into one container. Plastic bags also cause environmental damage in the form of carbon dioxide emissions. Plastic comes from fossil fuels and requires a lot of energy to make. Coupled with production efficiency and transportation costs, plastic bags and plastic in general have a large carbon footprint. To reduce the use of plastic bag, consumers will be charged 5 cents for paper bags if the country or city where they live choose to participate. Jeremy Gerson of the environment advocacy group Riverkeeper said that they would prefer to see consistent quotes across the state on paper. Will encourage local government to participates in critical cost policy on paper to help ensure communities have policies that will encourage consumers to use reusable shopping bags. In a speech Friday on WNYC Radio, Mayor Bill de Blasio said he would support a 5-cent paper bag fee for the city. The New York Department of Environment Conservation has also launched Back New York campaigns that seek to encourage shoppers to bring their own bags, preferably reusable bags when shopping.
Next is the response from class A, Erlita.
Plastic is preferred as a material for the manufacture of human digestive. However, other materials become plastic is presented to be more friendly, available, and durable. Additionally, if affordability is the strongest reason, plastic bags reduce the risk of food safety. Cloth bags are excellent for carrying food, the first line of something, leading to unpleasant odors and the potential for bacterial growth. In fact, during research by the Universities of Arizona and Loma Linda University in California found coliform bacteria in 51% of egg for reusable shopping bags, with E. coli present in 8%. To avoid discomfort and reduce the risk of contamination, money supported by separate plastic bags for certain items at the checkout. Sarah Swafikova from Rentable explained that plastic bags and their packaging have been widely accepted as the standard packaging material for packaging. Moreover, companies that their own plastic bags, such as Formosa Plastic and Novolet, have employed thousands of people in factories across the plastic product industry employing triple national, making it the eighth-largest industry in the United States. Of that number, people were directly involved in the production of plastic bags. These plastic factories significantly aid in the providing employment opportunities for the community. Here is a coherent summary translation of the journal's discussion regarding the pros and cons of plastic bag usage. In a journal, Analysis of Plastic Bags Policy, Economic and Environmental Impact, published by the research team from University Indonesia in 2020, the implication of the plastic bag policy in Indonesia are discussion. The findings suggest that this policy positively impacts the environment by reducing plastic bags. However, it also has a negative economic impact on the plastic industry and low-income communities as they are the most affected by this policy. Next, plastic bags between Nestle and Great Britain by Dr. Insinyur Aviati MSc in 2019 delves into the quality of plastic bags. On one hand, plastic bags offer practical benefits and economic efficiency. On the other hand, extensive use of plastic bags can cause serious environmental issues. Therefore, the author tasked for more prudent use of plastic bags and the development of more environmentally friendly alternatives. Lastly, the journal Plastic When Manifestly Endangered by Dr. Insinyur R. Handayani, MSc in 2018 highlights the risk posed by plastic, including plastic bags to both the environment and human health. Emphasis is placed on the importance of education and regulation to reduce the impact of plastic. Additionally, the author encourages innovation in developing environmentally friendly alternatives and more efficient plastic waste management strategies. Overall, these three journals provide a balanced view on the use of plastic bags, highlight both the benefits and risks. Collectively, they encourage with steps to mitigate the negative impact of plastic use, drug policy, education, and technological innovation.
Next is the response from class B, Faris.
One reason why plastic bags have become such an ecological burden is our way of dealing with them at the end of their lifetime, said Sarah Slavikova, CEO founder of Grand Tumble. We kept producing more and more, but did not implement efficient recycling program, particularly because their recycling is difficult. When banning plastic bags in New York was first approved, several supporters criticized the government for not requiring paper bag fees, potentially opening a way for consumers to use paper rather than the reusable bag. Has been advocated to value. A bag of paper actually has a higher carbon footprint than plastic, especially because it takes more energy to produce and transport it. A study conducted by the Danish government also found that if you look at all cycles of product from plants to landfill, some types of recyclable bags don't be recyclable. Dozens of times to be a more environmentally friendly option than plastic bags. A lot of life cycle studies mistakenly see the energy contained on climate change. He said, and this does not answer questions about subscribe, toxicity, and danger. The ban was also condemned from shop owners who worried about the impact of the law on the business. Jim Calvin, president of the Access to Store Association in New York, could be underground and even Sanko Bednarski from CNN that the current biggest issue is a storage and increasing risk of paper bags available for retailers. Without paper bags at the location, the only option for customers who forget their food bag is to buy a reusable bag at the location, which might cost $1 or over. Calvin said or make purchase at their own place. Weapons which create a convenience store become an uncomfortable thought. The ban forward mentioned the importance of training buyers to stop hoping that plastic bags will be given to them when checking on.
Thank you for class B. Next is the response from class A, Anggi.
In a study conducted by the Environment Program, entitled Single-Use Plastic Roadmap for Sustainable, in 2018 it was revealed that plastic was in the form of bag and styrofoam takes thousands of years to decompose. Meanwhile, research by Gina Erzsébet from Georgia University in 2010 stated that there were around 275 million tons of plastic waste scattered throughout the world, with around 4.7 to 12.7 billion tons of waste in the ocean. This means that every minute the equivalent of a ton of plastic was thrown into the sea. In 2010, Indonesia also became the second largest contribution plastic was the world ocean after China. 3.22 tons of plastic was with around 0.48 on 2029 million tons of polution of ocean. According to the Indonesia Aromatic Olefin and Plastic Industry Association, 65% of national plastic consumption is still dominated by plastic packaging. The total demand for plastic packaging, around 60% is absorbed by the food and beverage industry. According to the Indonesian Aromatic Olefin and Plastic Industry Association, 65% national plastic consumption is still dominated by plastic packaging. Of the total demand for plastic packaging, around 60% is absorbed by the food and beverage industry, according to the Indonesia Aromatic Olefin and Plastic Industry Association. 65% of national plastic consumption is still dominated by plastic packaging. Of the total demand for plastic packaging, around 60% is absorbed by the food and beverage industry. The impact of plastic was starting from health to environmental pollution. 1. Plastic is dangerous for human health. 2. Plastic threatens the preservation of wildlife. 3. Plastic itself can be lost. Plastic is a material that can last forever. 4. Plastic damage the earth, groundwater in the United States. There are dozens of landfills. 5. Plastic can attract other pollutant material that cause pollution. 6. Plastic waste is piling up on Earth as reported by Roswell. More than 5 trillion pieces of plastic, reaching more than 250,000 tons, are floating in the sea. 7. Plastic pollution. The food chain plastic is detrimental to various sectors of human life. 8. In the end, irresponsible use of plastic will again harm humans. Some examples include the tourist, restoration, business, and human and animal health sectors.
Thank you for answering. Next is the response from class B ID.
Packaging material derived from plastic are the most widely used plastic material. This is because plastic has various advantages such as being flexible, easy to shape, transparent, no easy broken, and the price is relatively cheap. Why do we have to use plastic? Almost all activity involve plastic as an important item to use. Plastic is used as a solution to help people carry goods easily without having to carry heavy loads like other packaging material. Product quality and hygiene. Plastic packaging is able to maintain product quality and hygiene in a way the other packaging.
What are the ways to use plastic to keep it healthy and easy to recycle, because plastic is very difficult to decompose?
We must still choose plastic materials that are easy decompose, namely environmentally friendly, biodegradable plastic, which is type of plastic that is easily decomposed. Examples include cassava, seaweed, potatoes, and mushroom. The basic ingredients of the biodegradable plastic are organic material and traditional petrochemicals. They can
contamination from the external environment such as insects, dirt, or moisture. In the food and beverage industry, well-designed plastic packaging can extend production life, easy of use and affordably. Plastic packaging of the great easy to use to consumers. They are of the light, flexible, and easy to open and close. They are designed for easy accessibility, reuse, and storage. For example, small size packaging is very practical for everyday products such as sauce, shampoo, or toothpaste, allowing consumers to buy in quantities that suit these needs. Innovation are recycling. The technological developments and innovation in the plastic industry has resulted in more environmentally friendly solutions. For example, plastic packaging can be recycled into new products such as tepli fiber, building material, or alternative fuels. Additionally, the use of biodegradable packaging plastic such as polyolactic PLA has become a growing there in recent years. PLA can decompose more quickly and produce lower carbon emissions compared to traditional plastic. In recycled plastic can be made into brass and salts. Plastic is always synonymous with things that lead to waste and has a bad stigma in society. The large number of cases of plastic waste has made many people include the benefit of plastic. In fact, plastic is one solution to all the problems of goods that are not durable and also breaking easy. What benefit does plastic have? There are lots of things around that are made of plastic. Even the doors are made of plastic. There is so that the use of plastic is quite informative for life and is really very helpful. When wood is easy for roots, glass is easy broken, iron is softly. Plastic is an alternative because the price is affordable, although not items can be replaced with plastic. We both agree that the existence of the plastic is very helpful. Apart from the price being much more affordable, the property of plastic is own attentions, like it is soft, durable, but light shape. It is insulation because it does not conduce electricity. Friendly for children. Easy to shape down the weaving process and can be adjusted to the design color. It does not get smoothly easy and does not get quality when exposed to chemicals, so it is large loans. Apart from that, there are many other properties that plastic has.
Debat participant and timekeeper who I respect participate in the happy debate have ended. By giving thanks, Alhamdulillah, I close this debate. As the moderator of today's debate, I would like to excuse myself if there are any error in waiting this debate. I apologize.